Welcome everyone to Web3 Pulse with the Crypto Evangelist. I remain Adenilu Proko, the Crypto Evangelist. You can see my name as Olowo there. And welcome to today's Web3 Pulse. We are going to have a very engaging session, and we are going to talk about what's happening in the crypto space. I know many people have been counting their bags. They've been making significant money from BNB, especially Solana, is also pumping. What's happening in the crypto market? Everywhere looks green. Despite that, some people have also lost money. We've been seeing news about a lot of liquidation, especially those people that trade futures and also trade pips because of the volatility in the market. We are going to look at all that, and we're also going to talk about some of the activities that is going to be happening with the crypto evangelists in the next few weeks. We are going to be out on the 13th of October. We are going to be at Blockfest, which is one of the biggest blockchain events. And also, we are collaborating with On-Chain Festival on October 30 to be their community partner. We are going to be there with our team where you can come and speak to us. We are also going to be giving out 100 free tickets. And I'm not going to be doing this alone today. I'm going to have the first disciple, who is also part of my team members and my team lead. Her name is Unoma, and welcome Unoma to Web3 Pulse. How are you doing today?
I'm doing great. Good day, boss.
That's that's good to know. I can see that you are shining and everywhere is looking nice. So
Yes,
hopefully we're going
likewise.
to have a great day today. Hope your crypto bags are doing well though.
Yes, they're doing very, very well. BNB
Okay.
especially.
Oh, BNB especially. That's cool. And I hope you've taken yourself out because I know crypto folks, they don't like going out, especially when they are making a lot of money.
Okay. Well, currently I have not. I'm yet to take it out because I'm still seeing profits. But hopefully by the end of the day or tomorrow, I would be selling some of my coins.
Oh, that's cool. And do you also do a bit of the gem play and all that?
Currently, I am still learning. I heard that it's quite risky, so I'm not willing to put all my funds recklessly. I do my research before I go into any trading or any meme coin or the
Okay.
gem token.
Okay. Yeah, that's great to know. I also do something similar, and I know that it can be very risky. So most times I just prefer holding long term and also just doing the education that I'm doing. So let's get into what we have for today. I think today we're going to first look at what's happening in the crypto market. We can see that Bitcoin, the price of Bitcoin is currently around showing around 122,000. The price is up 3% in the last 24 hours, and Ethereum is also like showing some decent signs in the last 1 hour. But the coin that everybody is talking about is obviously BNB. We've
Yeah.
seen a significant surge in BNB. And what are your current thoughts about the crypto market as it is now?
Well, currently the crypto market has been on for the past week or two. It has been on a steady bull trend. It has been going profits, 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 and that's that seems like a really good thing. And honestly, personally, I have been seeing profits, so I am still new to the crypto space, so I don't really have much to say about the future. But the present is looking really good.
Okay, that's really good to know because obviously when we look at the crypto market, we always see a lot of things that happen in the crypto market, and then I will just be scrolling through, we see that some of the top coins like Cardano, we are seeing some from Hyperliquid, lots of developments there. Also, we can see a bit of movement from Avalanche, and
Yeah.
we can also see from Litecoin. So let's just go into what's happening, especially on Twitter. We know that Twitter is like the home of cryptocurrencies. I'm just going to zoom in a bit. I think one of the trending things has been what BNB has been doing. This guy is comparing BNB to Solana, and he says the setup is like a mirror. So those people that are holding Solana, you can go and accumulate your bags. According to this analyst, Solana is likely to take is a significant step. You can see that Solana is currently at this phase. So
Yeah.
according to him, we are likely to see something that is going to be significantly pushed in the next few days.
Mm-hmm.
We also look at some of the conversations. BNB had a good run. BNB and BTC is about to move with pace. I think one of the things that has surprised a lot of people with the bull run of BNB is just how one of the things I've noticed is how fickle the crypto space is. About 3 months ago, everybody was saying BNB is dead. That Solana is the king of memes. All of a sudden now, nobody is launching memes on Solana again. Everybody is moving back to BNB.
Wow.
And that's really really crazy when you come to think of it, because
Mm.
we always believe that the crypto market is something that we can at least predict to a certain level, but it appears like the market follows the normal trend of everyone, whereby, as we will say in Nigeria, anywhere belief is, everybody's just following what is trending at the moment. So that's one of the things that we are seeing on Twitter. Obviously, we've seen many of the key Binance influencers like CZ, who is the number one Binance influencer, talking a lot. Obviously, he has that influence. He's able to talk about what's happening in Binance, talking about what's happening in this thing. So you can see this news: soft pay and pay invest 40% in Binance Japan. They can't stop talking about the BNB ecosystem. We can't stop talking about the BNB ecosystem. Let's keep building. So this is the period where everybody is pumping what they can pump, and I'm not really surprised that that the market is going like that. So from our conversations on Twitter, we'll go into the what I call the InfoFi platforms. That's Kaito and Cookie3. So just to give it a bit of context, can see that Kaito, some of the conversations that are there, we can see the pretty G arena. Many people come here and they yap to make money. Did you ever yap, Norma, during your did you ever do Kaito or Cookie3 yapping for rewards?
Yeah, I yapped on Cookie 3. I did Cookie 3 snaps. I didn't
Oh,
yap on Kaito. So yes, Cookie 3. I yapped on tokens like 10 protocol, Open Ledger,
oh,
BOOI, Recall. I yapped on them, and unfortunately, I wasn't eligible for
any of
some.
the
Yes,
any of the rewards. I guess the hype behind InfoFi has died a bit, but obviously we still have to like check what's happening within the InfoFi ecosystem. So we can look at some of the top projects. Kaito keeps on changing. So you can see Aptos in terms of layer ones. We have layer two like Arbitrum, Polygon. Arbitrum and Polygon are like two of the major game changers that made Ethereum scalable. We
yes,
can see in DeFi, we have Huma. I think I did a video on Huma protocol one time doing the token spotlight. I also spoken about Polkadot. Polkadot obviously is one of the oldest cryptocurrencies. We have AI projects like Theoric, Wayfinder, and we have ZK like Zcash. Zcash has pumped seriously recently, and Brevis is one coin that I keep on seeing on Twitter every time people are talking about it. And in terms of culture, I think I will try and check this culture. I know about Pengu. I know Pengu has been trending, but I don't really know much about Anime Token. I know Memex. I think I saw Memex too. And in terms of BTC Fi, these are projects that are building financial protocol on Bitcoin. We can see Corn. We can also see SAT layer portal to BTC. I know I've done a video on Con, which is an interesting project. In terms of AI, I think IQ token is quite interesting. Although I've been trying to
Mm.
navigate the ecosystem, I've not really been able to get it right. But it's a very interesting ecosystem. They are building a decentralized Wikipedia where people can go there and get their name featured just like the way Wikipedia features your name. And can also see like in terms of AI, Open Ledger is there. Open Ledger was quite popular. They had a major campaign on Kaito. And in terms of the apps, we have feeds, we have Capital Launchpad if you want to, Kaito N and airdrops. It's because I've not signed into Kaito. But Cookie.fun is one platform that also like they also make us know what's trending. Like if you look at good sentiments now, you can see ZEC, which is Zcash. Zcash has been trending positively, and it's not really a surprise because there's been a lot of like search towards privacy tokens. But as Zcash is pumping, another privacy token is having a dump, which is Monero XMR. We
Mm.
can also see Pump.fun is having negative sentiment. I think their token did not launch very well. And I'm not also surprised. Everybody's moving to BNB and Asta. So that's why you can see Asta has huge sentiments here. And with regards top mind share according to cookie.fun, can see Monad, can see Kaito, Coinbase, PTG, Zcash, Hyperliquid, and all are leading in terms of like mind share, which is not surprising. When we go into voices is just basically oh I've not logged in, so let me just log in via Twitter so that we can just dive deep into a bit of voices. So in terms of voices, it's people that give opinion. So you can see some of the top crypto Twitter guys. CZ is now almost at the top. Obviously, he's high on BNB and Asta.
Mm.
Wale Mocha is high on Polymarket, Solana, Kaito.
Mm.
You can see some of the tokens that are trending. You can see that one common denominator recently is BNB. There we can also see the common denominator of BTC. We can see
Mhm.
Solana too is trending a bit. Some people are obviously Jesse, who is the CEO of Base, will definitely be high on Base. And then that's that's basically some of the some of the key trends in terms of the tokens that are currently trending. And this leads us to one of the major events that we're going to be having, and that's our upcoming event, which is the On-Chain
Yes.
Festival. Think
Yeah.
Noma is gonna be there representing the Crypto Evangelist brand, and this is one major event that we are looking forward to. We are looking forward to bringing people to come and meet industry experts and also people within the tech space in the Nigerian ecosystem. I know some of the partnerships that have been announced. Fisher Fosudo is going to be there. I've also seen some partnerships with the CEO of Afen. I've also seen some partnerships with Aproko Doctor, who is one
Mhm.
of the trending influencers there. And obviously, yours truly, the Crypto Evangelist brand, is going to be represented there. And for people that are willing to get into this, you definitely just have to go into our community and do a few tasks. And that's going to be easy for you to do. You can easily join our Crypto Evangelist community by checking the description in our social accounts that you're watching this from. And also, we are going to also like be doing a series of events. We also have our crypto evangelist bot where people can get rewarded. And it's quite important that you enter into our group, you do different activities. And that's one of the major things that we have, which is our partnership and community partner. Then we go into the next phase, which is the token spotlight. And today we're going to be talking about a particular token that has a lot of trend, and that's Wayfinder. Wayfinder is a popular cryptocurrency that I recently showed on Kaito. They have a campaign on Kaito, and one of the things about them is that they have a unique ecosystem that makes them stand out. And one of their key features is that it provide an NFT based, they have NFT based in-game items. They also have staking rewards. We also have like a lot of things like DAO governance within their ecosystem. That's one of the things that Wayfinder has. And Wayfinder provides in-game law because it's a gaming ecosystem and it has been trending for a while. So we're able to see that they are one of the cryptocurrency projects that wants to build an open world multiplayer online universe that blends traditional gaming with blockchain powered ownership. Have you played any blockchain games? Have you tried any of them?
No, I haven't.
They are not
But
really
I'm open
popular.
to learn.
Oh yeah, I'm definitely going to do some videos on some blockchain games because I'm actually curious about them. I know obviously one of the most important things when it comes to most about these blockchain ecosystem games is their use of NFTs. I think that's one of the plans that I do have for the crypto evangelist community, introducing NFTs so everybody can be proud and show off their NFTs. Another thing that they have here is a major project within their ecosystem. So we have the Wayfinder main game, player created with John, cross game partnership, and NFT marketplace. Obviously, with the NFT marketplace, users can sell off their NFTs, also trade their NFTs, and also the strength of Wayfinder token is you have digital ownership of your NFTs. They have an dynamic world building, interoperable assets, which means your assets can be used on multiple ecosystems, and they have strong community incentives. And if we look at the fear and greed index, you can see it's a bit into fear because the project is still trending, and then we've seen a bit of dump recently, and most of the assets in the crypto, most of the money in the crypto ecosystem has been like has been capitalized by Binance. So we know that Binance has taken over most of the most of the things in the ecosystem. So it's not surprising that the market index is currently in a bit of greed. But if you look at the community sentiments, it's actually quite positive. 74% is bullish and 26% is bearish. So that shows
Wow.
a bit of like trend towards positivity for the token. And that's quite good because when you look at it, it shows that the token is trending positively. And that's huge news for the ecosystem. So another thing that we're also going to look at a bit is before we go is just some of the like the markets of Wayfinder. It's currently trading less than $1, making means that it's a project that people can hold now and like get a significant profit if the market goes well. So that is all for market watch today. We're going to just be having our final um our final bit, which is just talking about some of our ecosystem stuff. So Norma, can you give our audience like a brief on our crypto evangelist community and what we currently do?
Okay. Hello, everyone. I'm Ms. Jade Noma, and Crypto Evangelist is an educative platform where you can learn and earn crypto and crypto knowledge. We Our platforms are on TikTok at Crypto Evangelist, on YouTube at The Crypto Evangelist, on X, which is Twitter, at Alpha Evangelist, and on Telegram, which is CRYPT Evangelist. We also have a bot where you can earn from 5,000 naira weekly to 20,000 naira monthly, and you earn it by doing simple tasks like following a particular influencer or particular user, liking a post, resharing, and you could also post videos and also refer your friends. And we are our motto is to educate the Nigerians and our global users on crypto and Web3 space so that you will not be scammed, you will be educated, and you can as well spread the word as we are evangelists. Thank you.
Okay. Yeah, thank you. Thank you for that. That's great to know. And until next time, we remain the crypto evangelist. Have a great day and cheers everyone.